Artificial reefs. Enhancing marine ecosystems, *. Welcome to our presentation on the fascinating world of artificial reefs. In the depths of our oceans, a remarkable conservation effort is underway, driven by the creation of artificial reefs. These artificial structures, designed to mimic natural coral reefs, are revolutionizing marine ecosystems. Today, we'll explore how they're reshaping the underwater world. Our journey will take us through the uses, limitations, and strategic considerations behind the installation of artificial reefs. But first, let's understand the core concept. What are artificial reefs, and why are they crucial for our marine environments?
Introduction. Definition of artificial reefs. Artificial reefs are human-made structures placed in underwater environments, typically to mimic natural reefs, with the primary goal of enhancing marine biodiversity and ecosystem health. Importance in marine conservation. Artificial reefs play a crucial role in marine conservation efforts, as they provide habitats for various marine species, help in coral restoration, and contribute to sustainable fisheries management. Purpose of the presentation. In this presentation, we will explore the uses, limitations, and considerations for the installation of artificial reefs, shedding light on their significant impact on marine ecosystems.
Uses of artificial reefs. Biodiversity enhancement. Artificial reefs serve as havens for marine life, promoting biodiversity by offering shelter, breeding grounds, and foraging areas for various species, from small fish to large predators. Fisheries management. They assist in fisheries management by attracting fish, enhancing stocks, and protecting juvenile fish, contributing to sustainable fishing practices. Tourism and recreation. Artificial reefs are popular destinations for divers and snorkelers, stimulating local economies through tourism and providing opportunities for educational and recreational activities.
Biodiversity enhancement. Increased habitat for marine life. Artificial reefs create additional substrate for corals and other sessile organisms to attach and grow, forming complex ecosystems that attract diverse marine species. Attraction for coral and fish species. They attract a wide range of coral and fish species, which may not have suitable natural habitats in the area, promoting genetic diversity and resilience. Case studies. Success stories. Examples like the Osborne Reef in Florida showcase the successful transformation of barren areas into thriving marine ecosystems, thanks to artificial reef deployment.
Fisheries management. Increased fish stocks. Artificial reefs provide safe havens and feeding areas for fish, leading to increased populations and improved fishing yields. Protection of juvenile fish. They protect young fish from predation and offer a nurturing environment for their growth and development, contributing to sustainable fisheries. Sustainable fishing practices. Encouraging responsible and sustainable fishing practices, artificial reefs support the long-term health of marine ecosystems and local fishing industries.
Tourism and recreation. Diving and snorkeling attractions. Artificial reefs offer unique underwater landscapes for diving and snorkeling enthusiasts, attracting tourists and creating jobs in the tourism sector. Economic benefits. Tourism associated with artificial reefs generates revenue for local communities, contributing to economic growth and community development. Balancing conservation and tourism. Careful management is necessary to balance tourism and conservation goals, ensuring minimal impact on fragile reef ecosystems.
Limitations of artificial reefs. Environmental impact assessment. Before installation, it's essential to conduct comprehensive environmental impact assessments to understand potential negative effects on existing ecosystems. Maintenance costs. Artificial reefs require ongoing maintenance to ensure they remain effective, which can be costly and labor-intensive. Species-specific challenges. Certain species may not benefit from artificial reefs, and there can be unintended consequences such as invasive species colonization or habitat alteration.
Environmental impact assessment. Potential negative effects. These assessments evaluate the impact on local ecosystems, water quality, and nearby marine life to prevent harm. Mitigation strategies. Strategies may include proper reef design, material selection, and location to minimize negative impacts. Regulatory approvals. Obtaining permits and adhering to regulations are crucial for ensuring that artificial reef projects follow established environmental guidelines.
Where to install artificial reefs. Coastal zones. Coastal areas near human populations benefit from artificial reefs as they can enhance local fisheries and provide recreational opportunities. Shipping lanes. Artificial reefs can be strategically placed near shipping lanes to create buffers against potential ship groundings and protect the marine environment. Protected marine areas. Installing artificial reefs in marine protected areas can support conservation efforts by increasing biodiversity and providing research opportunities.
Conclusion. Recap of uses and limitations. Artificial reefs serve as vital tools for marine conservation, enhancing biodiversity and supporting fisheries. However, they also have limitations and potential environmental risks. Importance of sustainable practices. Emphasize the importance of responsible and sustainable management of artificial reefs to ensure long-term benefits while minimizing harm. Future prospects and research. Conclude by highlighting the ongoing research and potential for innovative technologies to improve artificial reef design and management for the benefit of marine ecosystems and society.